Today we will learn how to check body temperature using a digital thermometer. A digital thermometer looks similar to this one. It has a metallic end and a flexible stem. It has a single button. Pressing the button turns the thermometer on. Pressing the button again turns it off. Press the button to turn on the thermometer. Now put the metallic tip of the thermometer in the armpit of the patient. Make sure the tip is inside the armpit and not outside it. Wait for about 2 minutes. Now remove the thermometer from the armpit and check the reading. Reading here is 98.1 degree, which means the temperature is normal. For readings taken from the armpit, 98.7 degree is considered fever and temperature below it is considered normal. For simplicity, you can remember that 97 degrees normal temperature, 98 degrees normal temperature, 99 degrees fever, 100 degrees fever, and so on. Note that the thermometer may beep earlier, like this beeping sound, but you should keep it in the armpit for about 2 minutes to get an accurate reading. Thanks a lot for watching. Like the video if you find it useful. Subscribe for more such videos.